Good morning, everyone. Today new word is D E R E В О. Дерево. Дерево is a tree. As you already know, ye is a complex vowel and it consists of two sounds, y and e, and after consonant we pronounce just second sound e. And ye makes previous consonant soft, so it's d, and here it's r. Дерево, дерево. Here first vowel is stressed and O isn't stressed, that's why we pronounce it more like A. By the way, the second E also is not stressed here, so we need to pronounce it more like E, something between E and E. I need to write a Latin transcription. Дерево, дерево. The plural form is деревья. Д, Е, Р, Е, В. Мягкий знак, soft sign. Я. Деревья. The stress changed its place and now it's on the second syllable. Деревья, деревья. Let's write transcription. Д, Э, Р, Э, В. Soft version and я. This letter, soft sign, мягкий знак, makes previous consonant soft and it does not have any own sound. This vowel, я, is a complex vowel and it consists of two sounds, y and a. When it goes after soft sign, we pronounce both sounds ya. By the way, here we pronounce not e, we pronounce something between e and e. Деревья, because this sound is not stressed. Let's write Russian transcription. Д, Р, Э, В and Y. Деревья, деревья.